Hey everyone, before we start building anything, let's first understand what exactly is Agentic AI. You have probably used ChatGPT, Siri, or maybe Alexa, right? So you ask them a question like, what's the weather today? And they tell you the answer. That's cool, but that's all they do. They answer you, but they don't actually do anything. Now imagine if AI could not only think but also act. So you tell it your goal, like book me a cab, and it plans what steps to take, opens Uber, chooses the correct ride, and books it for you. That's what agentic AI is. A normal AI just gives you the answer, but an agentic AI takes actions. It can decide what to do next, use tools like APIs or databases, and even fix its own mistake. So think of it like giving AI both a brain and hands. The brain helps it think and decide, and the hands let it do things like sending emails, analyzing data, or writing code. So normal AI just has the brain, but agentic AI has both a brain and a hand. So here are a cool few examples of what a agentic AI system can do. It can write and test code on its own. It can look at your data, generate insights, and send a report automatically. It can also browse the web, collect information, and summarize it for you, or even plan an entire workflow with other AIs. Before I wrap up the video, I'd like to explain what does the typical agentic AI orchestration cycle looks like. So suppose you are asking the agentic system to do something, it will first break down the goals because it could be a very complicated task that you're giving to the AI system. So it will define its own goals that it want to achieve. It will break down the goals first. Then you give a lot of tools to the agency system, right? Like how do the agentic system book a cab? So basically give them the cab API or some other tools to book a cab. So it can manage the tools itself. So you don't have to directly, okay, you use this tool to do this. Everything will be taken care by agentic system. You just provide them the tools with the metadata, and it agentic system know like which tool to use for its own goal, right? It can also track state because it's very important that you monitor and update the current state of tasks, and then it plans the action accordingly. So it can strategize and prepare for the upcoming actions. And then at the end, it acts safely, that it execute the action with caution and precision. This is where all your prompting comes into picture. You can define how the AI system should act, what are the things it should not do, and all that stuff. We'll be seeing all these things. Then adapt predictably, right? So adjust strategies based on outcomes. So you'll see in the agent system, suppose your agent is doing some task and it got some error. So you'll see the agent is taking some other route to get the result, right? So you'll see, like once we go into deep into this agent system, you'll understand how this is happening in the agents. I know it is a lot of theory, but do not worry. In this course, we are going to learn how to actually build these kinds of intelligent agents step by step. So let's start with LangGraph basics in the next video. See you again.